Amazon Seller Identity Verification. What is that? It is the most important process, as sellers who got declined by Amazon will not be able to create an Amazon seller account for any Amazon marketplaces. If you guys don't know me, my name is Sanya and I have been selling on Amazon FBA for about 5 years now. I am the best Amazon FBA coach for 2018. Throughout my journey, I have had many successes, and with success is something a lot of people don't talk about, is obviously the failures that come along. I am going to take all those experiences and also the experiences of my students that are 6 and 7 figure sellers as well, and I am gonna put them all into my videos. So if you are going to start your Amazon FBA journey, or you have just started and you don't know what to do, then my videos are definitely gonna be for you. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. I will put the link to all my videos in the description below. To find out what is Amazon Seller Identity Verification and how to get 100% accepted and solve all the Amazon Seller Identity Verification problems fast, step by step, like my students, then keep on watching this video. All new Amazon sellers are required to pass Amazon Seller Identity Verification process, which is the process by machine initially. Apart from the expected documentation, the process now started using facial recognition technology also.
Wow!
The Amazon Seller Identity Verification process is not reviewed by actual humans, and because of this, you have to be very careful in submitting the required documents requested by Amazon. Many new sellers make mistakes in submitting the required information, so do pay attention and watch this entire video carefully. Let me explain briefly about the documents required for Amazon Seller Identity Verification before we get into Amazon Seller Identity Verification steps. Number 1 is valid national ID card. For Amazon Seller Identity Verification, the most important things are driver license, national ID, or passport. It must be a government issued card that is distributed and recognized by the country where you are citizen or resident. The full name on the national ID should match the full name on your registered Amazon account is required for Amazon Seller Identity Verification. Okay guys, number 2 is credit card, debit card statements, bank statements, or utility bills. The name of the point of contact or company mentioned on the statement should either match the point of contact, name, or business name provided during registration. You can black out the amount if you want. It also should be issued within the past 90 days. If document is not in Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, or Spanish, it must come with a copy of the seller's passport with the bearer's signature or notarized translation in one of these languages. The document required may be different based on seller's country. The name, addresses, and the date of birth as applicable must match the registered Amazon account. Moreover, only clear, complete, single-colored scanned copies or mobile phone pictures less than 10 MB in size will be accepted. File must be PNG, TIFF, JPEG, or PDF in format. Also, it must not have any special characters in the file name. If Amazon need more documents, they will usually email you if they need additional documentation. It could usually take like few weeks, although it's not a very long process. Number 3 is facial recognition. Amazon has invested into Amazon Seller Facial Recognition technology for Amazon Seller Identity Verification. It is not fully operational now, as there are many things that needs to be done in terms of security. It is indeed a powerful technology that comes verification process easier. However, it does come with serious concerns if the information is not properly secured. It may also help the marketplace to eliminate fake sellers, ghost accounts, and counterfeit goods. This seller verification is not yet part of Amazon identity verification process, but it had many sellers worried. Guys, if you want to know more about Amazon seller facial recognition that Amazon is implementing, then do let me know in the comments below and I will make the video about it. Any documents that do not meet the criteria above or cannot be verified by Amazon will be rejected right away. Amazon seller identity verification rejection is final and cannot be appealed, and rejected sellers are not permitted to reapply. Amazon says that this identity verification process is part of their efforts to create a more secure shopping and selling experience for customers and sellers on their marketplace. Providing the above documentation is acceptable in a standard procedure. Requiring a video or picture of the seller face, however, is not yet important, and it's not also the initial part. Do check out my video here for complete detailed video on the Amazon seller identity verification documents. I will also put the link in the description down below, but you can also check it here. So now guys, let's talk about the Amazon seller identity verification steps. Step number 1. When you get into Amazon seller identity verification part of your sign-up process, the Amazon will first request to activate your account via email. Once you do that, they will ask you to verify your identity. Now you have to select the country where you are, where you or your business is based. Guys, do keep in mind that once you submit this information, it cannot be changed. So be very, very careful and double check the information you are submitting, as you won't have an opportunity to change it after you submit it. So just be careful on that part. Okay guys, this is the mistake that many sellers make, is that they submit the incorrect documentation and then they don't have the opportunity to resubmit it. So you have to be really careful on this part. So after selecting a country, you will be asked to enter your first name, last name and your date of birth. Now they will ask you to submit your passport, driver license or other national ID card. You need to provide an expiration date of the documents that you are submitting, the country of the issue and the business address. After that, you have to submit it, and these are the things you need at this moment of time. Step number 4 guys, after the successful submission of your documents, Amazon will make a decision as to whether your account can be verified or not. At this stage, the Amazon seller identity verification process is completed. Hopefully, if you follow the above steps that I mentioned carefully, then there won't be any Amazon seller identification process issues. Sometimes it may take a couple of business days, so just relax, be patient. You may be asked to supply additional documentation or facial recognition video within a few business days of submitting the initial information. The Amazon seller performance team may also request a business license document. For example, if you have an LLC, you may want to register that document of the LLC in the state in which you live or the state which you registered your LLC in. But this is required only if you registered as a business. So guys, in order to get your account accepted as soon as possible and get through this Amazon seller identity verification process, then make sure that you submit all your documents in the required format. This is really important. A big mistake that creates Amazon seller identity verification problems are that the names won't exactly match or the address won't exactly match with the documents you submit. So be really careful and not to make your documents rejected. I have mentioned all the Amazon seller identity verification tips and tricks. I have all my students get accepted on their first try, so make sure to follow all the steps mentioned in the video and follow them step by step. Implement all these rules and regulations by Amazon. If you are careful and persistent, you will be approved on Amazon very easily. Guys, do join my Facebook community where all like-minded people are helping each other. It allows for you to be better. It allows you to learn from other people's mistakes so you really don't make all those mistakes again. I'm in there also so I'll be helping you personally. Join the free Facebook group. It's literally free, so join the community right now. You can find the link in the description below, so make sure just go and like my Facebook group and join it. If you like it, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, be sure to ask them in the comment section below. And guys, if you would like to start an Amazon FBA journey step by step, but you don't know how, then you should download this amazing free cheat sheet. You will find a link on how to download this incredible life-changing free cheat sheet in the video description down below. So make sure you just go and download it right away. If you guys want to watch, keep watching. I have handpicked this video for you to watch right now. I'll see you guys there. See ya.